How's it going, YouTube? Today we have this Poulan Pro P3816 that I completely rebuilt. It does run, it does idle, everything works, but I just put a new bar and chain on it. Now let's see if it actually cuts wood. I do have a love-hate relationship with these saws. Either they're good or they're complete junk. I feel like the older saws, like between, I don't know, say 2010 and under, they're okay. I think this one's a 2006, I think. But I put a new piston and cylinder in it, new crank bearings, fuel line, fuel filter, carburetor. I did a little bit of a muffler mod. I ported the oil pump so it gets more oil in there. And the oil mixture says 40-1. But I put 32-1 just to break in the process, and then I just leave it because I only have 32-1. I only have 50-1, so let's just run 32-1. So I'm gonna start this up and warm it up, and then we'll see if she chews through the wood. Just to show you that it is a cold start, and on the muffler. So we'll prime it 6 times, or until there's fuel in the primer bulb. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Choke out, no throttle. Half choke. No choke. It definitely does the job. The chain is definitely sharp. I didn't really know that this is just a homeowner saw. It's nothing crazy. It's only 38cc. Now, if I were to compare that to my steel 0232, man, that thing chews through this like butter. Like, I mean, it goes right through it like nothing. And the chain is very sharp. Like, look at those big chunks. It's very sharp. Well, it's a success. I just had to adjust the idle on it a little bit because the chain kept moving at idle. So But yeah, I think this does the job. I mean, if you're doing, like, for example, small logs like this, it'll definitely do that. But this is at least a foot thick, so it's capable, but it's gonna take a while to get done. So I think if you're using this for small stuff like cutting lumber or small, like, little branches about maybe the size of your wrist, it's good. And it's good for maybe one-time use to cut big stuff like that. But if you're gonna use it to cut firewood all day, every day, it's probably gonna burn out pretty quick. Yeah, that's my review on it. It's a good little homeowner chainsaw. It wasn't built for anything crazy. I just did a little oiler mod so that it gets more oil to the chain, lubes it better and cuts better. But overall, I mean, the new pot and piston looks pretty good. Everything performs like it's supposed to. Nothing leaks. Pretty good little saw. If you have any questions about any other Poulan Pro chainsaws, I mean, I don't necessarily think that my brand is Poulan, but I got quite a bit because they're really cheap to find. And they're easy to work on, but man, they're a pain in the ass to do carb work on. Yeah, if you let me know if you got any questions, if you leave a like, comment, and subscribe, I'll get back to you guys in the other chainsaw or other small engine video.